Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from CUDA.com, link in the description below. CUDA, Compute Unified Device Architecture, is a parallel computing platform and programming model developed by NVIDIA. It allows developers to use NVIDIA GPUs for general purpose processing, GPU. In this tutorial, we'll explore CUDA programming with Python using the pycuda library, which provides Python bindings for CUDA. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed. To get started, you'll need to install the pycuda library. Open a terminal and run. Let's create a simple CUDA program that adds two arrays on the GPU. We define a simple CUDA kernel, add_arrays, that adds corresponding elements of two arrays. The kernel is compiled using pycuda.compiler.SourceModule. We generate random input arrays and allocate memory on the GPU using pycuda.driver. Data is copied from the CPU to the GPU using CUDA.mempy_tod. We set up the grid and block dimensions to define how the CUDA threads will be organized. The CUDA kernel is launched with the specified grid and block dimensions. Finally, the result is copied back from the GPU to the CPU, and the result is printed. Save the code to a file, example CUDA_example.py, and run it using. Make sure to adapt the code as needed for your specific use case. This tutorial provides a basic introduction to CUDA programming in Python using pycuda. Explore the official documentation for more advanced features and optimizations, https://document.tikian.de/pycuda. ChatGPT